Being the last speaker, you have a lot of disadvantages. One, you sound, oh, I've heard this already through the day. So nobody knows what's the new thing that you're saying. The advantage is that I can wrap up in 10 minutes, right? And I can still go back home early. When I was sitting on the other side, it seemed like there were very few people left for the seminar. I hope all the speakers in the day felt that way. So I'll just go back to what the last topic of the day is, which is outsourcing or keeping your online marketing in-house. I'm glad that a lot of the stuff that I'm going to say dovetails what Pradeep has already said. Because nothing, value and technology is based on binary. In the real world, it is not like that. There is nothing that says that it should be only outsourced, that you should be developing skills in-house. There are a lot of reasons why you will decide to outsource it and finally bring it all in-house. I have prepared some of the points based on the fact that a lot of you here are entrepreneurs. And so, do we have more entrepreneurs or practitioners here? Any entrepreneurs? You're a founder or and practitioners of online marketing? Okay, so that's equal number. Anyway, so I'll just quickly jump over to why, what and when to outsource. I'm starting with the fact that you can pretty much outsource your entire marketing function, and that holds true whether you're whether it is online marketing, traditional marketing, whichever it is. The question is, do you want to do it, and when do you want to do it? The only thing that you cannot outsource at any point of time is how much money you're going to spend, when are you going to spend it, and how will you spend it. And that's your purse, that's your kitty, that's best decided by you. That's one piece that you definitely can never outsource. Rest any function of the marketing can always be outsourced. Of course, it all comes for a cost. However, the question that you should always ask yourself is that, am I competent enough to understand whatever I'm wanting to outsource? So you can have all the talent in-house, you can have all the talent outsourced, so someone else can do all your marketing work. But whether it is externalized or whether it is internalized, you definitely need to know what you're wanting from your whole online marketing piece or any marketing piece. And that goes back to what Pradeep had earlier said, that you need to know what your business strategy is, what you want out of your business, how does the marketing strategy, dovetail into it, and hence what I want to do. The next question that you have to ask yourself is that, how much time do I require to get on into the market? So if speed to market is critical for you, then outsourcing is definitely something that I would recommend to a lot of entrepreneurs here. I was actually, interestingly, one of my friends decided to quit her job and become an entrepreneur. And she's first thing that she did was that she went about setting up a website, and that's it. After that, the question was, what do I do now? Where do I start? So I guess the first thing that you need to do is that you need to have your plan ready. But the fact is that she's got a lot of time on her hand. So she's just decided to do all the learning on her own. She's probably a one-woman business right now. She'll probably grow it. And as she does it, she's going to learn it all in-house. And that's why she's learning and doing the stuff herself. But if you are a company which wants to quickly jump into the market space because it's already very competitive, slightly late, then I suggest you actually outsource your marketing requirements. The other reason why you would actually outsource also is that hiring talent is never going to be easy. And an agency is most likely to get much better quality talent because the exposure that one gets there is more cross-functional than it can happen within a company. And a brand name, stuff like that, or those are things that matter. The other thing to look at is if you're someone who's based out of a smaller town, let's say if you're operating out of Chandigarh or Dehradun, you may not be able to get all the talent that you want, even if you want to hire them and retain them. So if you are in that space, then outsourcing is something that you should be evaluating. The other reason why you should be looking at outsourcing is because it's not just about the people. You also need to have the resources. So you need to have technology. So search engine marketing is no longer about putting your AdWords in the Google account. You need it to be managed much more in a much more sophisticated manner, whether you're a small business or whether you're a large business. And if that is the case, then you need the right kind of analytics tools. You need tools to manage your accounts, targeting and stuff like that. So which you probably would have gone through the day. So resources is something that you would have heard a lot during the day, and you probably will not be able to invest in all of those resources. And that is one reason probably you may want to outsource. The other, and finally, which you do for anything, any business plan.